we're not looking at anything exciting in terms of the market open. We're not looking at anything big in terms of news, with the exception of IndusInd Bank. The Tata big basket deal is something which is not going to be impacting listed companies directly, because the Tatas are bought through Tata Sons. But yeah, the rub-off effect on, let's say, the retail business, which is Trent, the rub-off effect of that on, let's say, Tata Consumer, which is in the business of groceries, could be seen. Okay, first rates will just start kicking in on your screen now. We are starting with a flat uptick, with a minor uptick actually. Tata Consumer is up 8 rupees. There is definitely an uptick and a clear uptick which is now visible in Adani. You got an uptick which is there in TCS. Infosys is off to a great start. Tata Steel for sure is not showing signs of excitement, even though metal prices last couple of days have been on the upside. So you got Bharti Airtel, the board meeting is due today. Cipla flat, Tech Mahindra flat, IndusInd Bank flat after the news, and Ultratech is showing signs of life. Now, the index yesterday did not show a very strong uptick. It has turned volatile. Could today be the day where finally the markets they start correcting? The bank Nifty is not leading the markets higher. The Sensex and the Nifty are not doing anything special. A whole host of mid-cap stocks, but those are news-driven and those are momentum-driven names, which we would like to just flag it off for our viewers. On Mobile has been on a tear, so to speak, last couple of days. That's a stock which deserves a revisit. Then let's look at some of the IT product companies actually. Apple, On Mobile, Intelect Design. InfoEdge was down yesterday, but it's not a product company, it's more like an aggregator. It's an internet company. 5,000 rupees for Apple. Can you believe that? On Mobile is now almost at 100 rupees. Can you believe that? So yeah, that's the spicy space in the market if you are a technology investor or if you are a technology trader. Eicher?
Let's just revisit what some of the power winners from yesterday are up to and whether the metals trade is actually holding still. You had Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW, Jindal. They all held out yesterday. So those names should pop up for you on your screens again. 62 points lower actually. We've even given up 15,300 and the breadth as well has started off in the negative. Nestle is not really seeing any excitement after its numbers yesterday. That's down 2.5%. You've got Muthoot Finance, Naukri, Jindal Steel, and Page Industries is the one which is taking a sharpish knock. It's down by about 5.5% this morning. Adani Ports holds out, Adani Enterprises hold out, IndusInd Bank, Apollo Hospitals has really been a one-way move up for the last 3 consecutive sessions after its earnings commentary from the management. This stock has really been on fire, and today as well, it's at over a 1% gain. Tata Consumer, that's the big winner this morning, about 2% higher. There's a lot of buzz around its index inclusion. 2% is the move that you're seeing on Tata Consumer. So where's the pressure then coming in from? Once again, it's banks and financials. HDFC Bank, Axis, ICICI Bank, they're the ones which are ebbing off this morning. It's a very tentative start so far, Nikunj. 0.5% low on the futures.